Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Awesome Gem here, and welcome to the second part on how to make a mod in Forge in 1.7.10 tutorial. That was a lengthy title, I'm sorry about that. But anyway, on the last tutorial part, we actually made the folder structure and installed the necessary things for it. So right now we'll open the project. So to do that, double click the file that ends with IPR. If you don't see the file structure, depending on what you're using, you might have to go to the folder options. Just Google it. You'll find a way for that. It's pretty easy. I don't know which operating system you guys are using, so I'm sorry I can't do that for you. Alright. It will take a few moments to load. It's fine. It makes sense. But yeah, just ignore the message here. And once it actually opens, you might want to go to the project folder, and you will see the list of files in here, and the files that you're the place you really want to be, looking forward to is the source folder. And you know what thing? Blah blah. What? No, I don't know. I can't speak. I'm sorry, but you know what? I can't say that. Alright, so what you need to do is remove that Eclipse folder in here, because since we are not using Eclipse, we don't need it. So just delete it and wait for it to be removed. And in here, just refresh it, or it'll automatically refresh, and it's gone. Instead of that, we'll make another folder called client server, but leave it empty for now. Then, before doing anything else, what we want to do is click on this thingy next to the green down pointing arrow. Click that and click edit configuration, and click applications, click Minecraft client, and inside there you will have some configuration you have to do. So the first configuration you have to do is you change the working directory to the directory we just made. In this case, it's client server. Press OK and click apply, and on the server, you use the same folder. Since it's called client server, it means for both of them. So select, press OK, hit apply, and we should be good. Make sure you're selecting Minecraft client to test your Minecraft project stuff. So after we're done with that, we'll move on. So the file or the folder we'll be focusing a lot is the source folder, or aka SRC. This is where our assets and our code files will go, as well as information about the mod. So just it's all stored inside a package called main, and then inside Java, and here you will have your project files. And there is an example mod for you, so you can make your own mod easily by following the pattern. But yeah, it's just a really simple example mod. We'll go there later. For now, just remove that, and yeah, just remove this whole thing, so you only have Java empty. The next folder or package we have is the resources, and inside resources there's only one file called mcmod.info. If you ever wondered and went inside a mod and you notice this file, just this stuff, which is pretty understandable, yeah, that is the same file. This is where we write this file. So basically, the mod ID is your mod name, and it usually, it's one word, Alright, so usually you could just type in your mod name in lowercase in one word. So if your mod has to do with like a lot of gems, you can just do like gems plus, or if it has a lot of mobs, so you can just do mobs plus. So if your mod name was mobs plus, you could just do mobs plus for the mod ID. It's generally a good idea to do it like that. So since this is just a tutorial, I'm just gonna name it tutorial plus. Nice. Alright, so the name is what it will show for the mod, and it is the actual name for your mod. So in our case, it's our tutorial plus, and the description is the description of the mod for our tutorial. And the version, since we're not using build arguments, this is a build argument, we can just put on the version. So let's just say this is 1.0 or 0. And the MC version is for which Minecraft version is the mod supported. In our case, since this is coded in 1.7.10, so it will be 1.7.10. The author list, here you put all the list of authors. Since it's me, so I'm just gonna put 1, my name. And yeah, and the rest of the things, the URL is the mod URL, the website for the mod. Update URL, it's a link which checks for update. I don't know if it works good, I haven't tried it yet. In credits you can just put whoever helped you with this mod. The logo file is just a PNG file which needs to be in a specific size and will be displayed on the mod. And screenshots for extra screenshot of the mod itself. And dependencies is if this mod needs any other like core library or API. If it's using API from another mod, then you have to put down the mod ID in here. So yeah, that is about it for the mcmod.info, mcmod.info. So now let's go ahead and create a new package and make our first and code our first mod. So you right click it. I can't right click it. Oh, there we go. Whoa. So you right click Java, create new package. We're gonna name it Tom dot or me dot the awesome gem dot tutorial plus. Alright, so inside there we're gonna create our main class. So it's usually, it's a good idea to write whatever your mod name is in proper case, so tutor plus, and then add the word core next to that. So that way this is the core class files, it's the main class files. Alright, so once you have that, I forgot how to yeah. Wow. Alright, so once you have that, hold on, my cats need food. Oh no. Sorry guys, the kitties were hungry. Alright, so yeah, continuing on. So the main class is where this is what the main class is. So this is the first class that will load when the mod starts. So it needs to have an annotation called @mod. Press enter, and the mod needs a mod ID, which is for now we'll just say reference dot mod ID. We haven't made that class yet, but we'll soon, so don't worry about the error. And the name equals reference dot name, and the version equals reference dot version, and yeah, that's all we need for now. So it's gonna be a good idea to just make the class now. So I'm gonna create a new package and name it what can I name it? What should I like settings, setting. Okay, so setting, and then to create a new Java class called reference. Alright, so main thing is public static. Make it static so we can access it. Make it final so it can't be changed, and then make it a string so it's little characters, and then make it mod id equals tutorial plus public static final string mod name equals tutorial plus public static final I guess string version equals 1.0, and last but not least wait, there's another thing. I think that's all. Let's see. Yeah, so now we can just import this class, and bam, it's all good. Alright, so now to make the first basic, to see if your mod works now, we'll make our first event, which is the core event of the mod, and it can only be contained inside your main mod folder or class. I mean, sorry. Where is that annotation is at? So to declare an event, we use event handler, and we use the annotation event handler only for the core events for the main class, which has the mod annotation. And so we can name this method anything we want. I'm gonna name it on init, and this is the important part. We have to use the FML initialization event. Alright, and we can name it in whatever we want. So this is the event that is called when the Forge mod loader loads the mod. So once it's initializing, or yeah, I guess so, we're gonna say let's just test it out. We can just do system.out.println, you know, the classic way in Java. We can just say this mod worked, and so then if we play it, it should be looking good. Let's just wait and see if it all works good. And yeah, my computer is slow. Don't laugh at me. I'm sorry. It takes ages to load. I don't like it. Please, give me a good computer. Holy shit, the wind is blowing outside really hard. Alright, it's loaded. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just change some settings quickly. I'm sorry I'm doing it here now. Do it quickly so it's not a big deal. Okay, bright. No clouds, I hate clouds. No. Decrease, minimal. No smooth lighting. Okay. Okay, that can stay. I'm sorry, why am I making those weird noises? I don't even know, but I'm just gonna do some settings. Alright, so yeah, if you go inside the mods thingy, you should see that your mod is now loaded, and the name is Tutorial Plus, the version is 1.0, and the mod ID is Tutorial Plus, and credits, whatever was that credits, and the author is you. And then the description is right here. And yeah, if we quit the game and press Control F and search for this mod worked, you should see that it worked. So it called this event, which called this method. So I hope you guys understood some today, and if you didn't, make sure to comment what your problem is, and make sure to subscribe so you can see the next episode. And I wish you best luck with modding, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.